Children, very good morning to you all. I hope you are fit and fine. In our last class, we discussed about simple present and present continuous tense. Today, we will discuss about present perfect continuous and past simple. Okay, now we are going to discuss about present perfect continuous, past simple tense. Children, for each tense, I will give you example, I will show you formula. Children, are you ready for class? Now let's begin. First of all, present perfect tense. Children, present perfect tense indicates completion of an action. I repeat, present perfect tense is used to express completed activities in the immediate past. Look at the formula in your notebook. Subject, then has or have, then verb form number 3, then object. So, in present perfect tense, subject is followed by has or have. Then third form of verb, last object. For example, I have finished my homework. Children, here I, subject, have finished my homework. Finished, third form of verb. Homework, object. So, I have finished my homework. In the present perfect tense, if the subject is I, you, we or they, we use have. In the present perfect tense, if the subject is he, she, it, we use has. For example, we have paid our dues. See here, we have. So like that, one more example. He has visited France 4 times. He has visited. I hope present perfect tense is clear. Now let us focus our attention present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that has begun in the past and is still continuing. For example, I have been waiting for the guest since morning. I have been waiting. See, I have been. Verb form number 1 plus ing. I have been waiting for the guest since morning. Now let us see the formula. Subject, then has or have been, plus verb form number 1 plus ing, then object. For or since plus point or period of time. Children, always keep in mind, for is used when period of time is indicated. Here, duration, for is used for duration or period of time is indicating. Since is used when there is a indication of point of time, definite point of time. For example, I have been waiting for the guest since morning. You have been suffering from fever for 2 days. 2 days, period of time. Since morning, definite point of time. I hope children present perfect tense, continuous tense are so clear. Shall I move to simple past? Okay. Simple past. Simple past is used to express an action completed in the past, past habits, historical events. We use simple past tense. Let us see the formula in your notebook. Subject, then verb form number 2, object. Very simple, children. First of all, subject, then verb form number 2, past form, then object. For example, my grandfather built this house in 1990. See, my grandfather, subject, built, verb form number 2, this house, object. So like that, I will give you one more example. I played soccer. I, subject, played, verb form number 2, soccer, object, with my friends last Saturday. I played soccer with my friends last Saturday. I hope children past simple also clear. Children, remaining part of tense we will discuss in our next class. Bye bye. Thank you, children.